And then I hit upon a network map that looked like this. Well, it was actually this. So with a colleague at the ANU, Anne Evans, we decided to look at how organisations who are involved in the abortion debate were connecting to one another on the web. And so we used Google to search on, we searched for two terms, Australia abortion in Google, and we found all these web pages, and then we used software that I've written called Voson to find out how these organisations or websites connect to one another. And we also coded the websites up according to whether they were pro-choice or pro-life. And that was not easy to do. Anne, my colleague who has quite a bit of academic sort of involvement in this area, her and a research assistant puzzled over some of these websites because some organisations, especially the pro-life ones, it's not really clear what position they're taking. Anyway, we coded them up and then we visualised the network and it looked like this. Now, an explanation about how this is being visualised, and this is relevant to what we'll be doing with NodeXL. You can think of each of these nodes, so each of these nodes is a website and each of these lines is a hyperlink. And you can think of these nodes as having electrostatic charges, so they're like repelling each other. So they're pushing each other away by nature, like it's like trying to put two magnets together. But then you can think of the lines or the hyperlinks as springs that draw nodes that are connected to one another closer to one another. So it's like these two competing forces, and the algorithm positions the nodes in a way that minimises the overall energy in the system. And what you can sometimes find is you get clustering like this. So what we have here is very clearly the pro-life organisations are down here and the pro-choice are up here, and it matched our coding of these sites quite neatly.